In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in n8n if you're already logged in. Keeping your passwords updated is critical for ensuring the security of your accounts, and today I will guide you through this simple process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure you're signed into your n8n workspace. Open your preferred browser, navigate to your n8n instance, and log in using your current credentials. If you're already logged in, great. You're one step ahead and we're ready to move on. Once you're logged in, you need to head over to your personal settings. Look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the interface. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu or settings panel that appears, select either Personal Settings or Account Settings. The naming and exact location of these options might vary slightly depending on the version of n8n you are using, but don't worry, just keep an eye out for anything that refers to your account settings. Now that you're in your account settings, the next step is to change your password. Here you will see the option to update your password. Start by entering your current password to authenticate your request. This step is crucial as it confirms your identity and ensures unauthorized individuals won't be making changes to your account. Once you've entered your current password, go ahead and type in your new password. Choose something strong yet memorable, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if possible to create a robust password. After entering your new password, you'll be prompted to confirm it by typing it again. This is simply to ensure you haven't made any typos when entering it the first time. With your new password confirmed, you're almost done. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save or possibly Update Password and click it to finalize the change. By doing this, you are ensuring that your new password is set and that your account security is maintained. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in n8n while logged in. Remember, it's good practice to update your passwords regularly and to make them as secure as possible. This short but essential task helps protect your data and ensures your workflows stay safe. If you've followed on and completed these steps, you're all set. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, take care and keep those passwords secure.